now let's hear a special word from MMA featherweight champion Felicia Spencer. She has a follow-up on Gabby's incredible weight loss with Thynergy.
Congratulations, Gabby. 20 pounds is a huge accomplishment. I'm so glad that Thynergy is working out for you. It's so important to find something that works for you. You know, everybody is different, and when you find that thing, you know, just keep running with it. I hope that you keep reaching your goals and, you know, becoming more and more healthy. For me, you know, just finding new ways to keep it new and exciting is always what I'm looking for. You know, some new recipes or a new activity, that kind of thing always keeps it interesting. So anyway, again, great work. Keep it up.
So why not start today? I use Thynergy as a pre-workout that helps boost my energy, so I'm ready to kick my workout into high gear. There's an Amazon link below. Pick it up with Amazon Prime today.